should become more than just jewelry or the rose that drew blood from our hands. Because one day we'll decide that our hearts are not beating if we're not forming angels in the sand. And I could not have built this if there wasn't such a pattern to find. I just listened and rearranged all the brilliant times. And these pills whisper, you tell me this whole process and effort is lost, and I will sculpt it and build something that's perfect for once. And then I'll put it on display in an immaculate glass box. Oh, please just let my body lay, because I think it's done enough. And what I need to never does enough. We will become more than a story that we put back on the shelves. And we haven't seen ourselves in years because we lay next to all the tales that we heard when we were little, but haven't heard anything else. And I put together a puzzle touching ocean to the sky, and every time I looked up